Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a complaint on booking.com. Follow these detailed steps to make a complaint on booking.com using the booking.com web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your web browser and go to booking.com. Then in the website, just follow through with the on-screen prompt to sign in if prompted. After signing in and logging in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic home screen. Now, from here, you're going to have to navigate to the Contact Customer Service tab, which is found at the top right corner of the page. So once you're logged in, locate and click Customer Service at the top right corner. It is represented by this question mark icon. So just go ahead and click on it, and you'll be directed to the Customer Service Help Center, which we have here. Now it says we're available 24 hours a day, so go ahead and click on get help with the booking if that's what you need help with. Now in the help center, okay, thank you for that. All right, in the help center, you're going to see a couple of options presented to you. In the frequently asked questions, you have all of these tabs. So you have FAQs for stays, for car rentals, for flights, airport taxes, insurance, and of course other options. Now if you want to contact them, that's if let's say the frequently asked questions or the solutions provided in the frequently asked questions does not really meet your need and you just want to head over to reach out to them directly, just go ahead and click on this other, the three dots menu, the other, and now you have how can I contact booking.com, and you just go ahead and click on that and you see this. So visit the help center and select the booking you need help with, and if you like to speak to customer service over the phone, you can call us through the priority support line if you are signing, and alternatively you can call or message an accommodation directly or send a message to the customer service. Now over here he says please log into the help center and select the booking you like help with. This allows us to get you help from the right place, and you can message the property, contact customer service via message or over the phone. All right, so you can still get help from the help center. Just select continue without an account on the home page and enter a confirmation number or PIN code to call or message the customer service. Now, so in here you have this speech bubble that is here and says open messaging. You can now click on that, and once you click on that, you can now contact the property. You have no message and you have customer service. So customer service and property, it says you have no message, so you can send and receive messages when you have upcoming bookings. So once you have upcoming booking, if you have a booking, you can now head over to the speech bubble tab and send and receive messages when you have upcoming booking. So this is how you can just get in touch with them directly when you have placed a booking. So you can go ahead and click on I need help with something else, and you have all of these options to explore. Now we're also available 24 hours a day, and it says get help with booking. Now you can click on that and see all these options. So let's say you need help with stays, click on stays, and here you have to enter your confirmation number, enter your PIN code, and go ahead and click on continue. All right, and once you click on continue, that's it. You can now provide them with an option and provide them with the problem, and they'll give you the solution from there. So find your booking details. If you want to find your booking details, go ahead and click on resend confirmation mail, and you get your booking details, which you can enter here so that they can get help. You can get help with that. So need to talk with someone. If you can't find your booking details or you have question for customer service, you can message or call us. Now click on this message customer service. In here you can now type your message. Go ahead and make it very explicit and detailed. Type your message in here. This is your email address, and once you're done with all of this, go ahead and click on the send button, and once you click on the send button, you're good to go. Now these steps should help you effectively lodge a complaint on booking.com. You can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.